So today we're going to look at this book called Art Saves: Stories, Inspiration and Prompts Sharing the Power of Art, and it is edited by Jenny Doh. So Jenny has brought together a selection of artists, and Jenny also does a project within this book, and in the table of contents it shows you the lists of artists that have contributed. So after you've gone into the short introduction by Jenny Doh, telling you why and how her journey and why she has brought together this selection of artists, and it says, as you read through this book you will find that many of the artists offer the how in terms of the stellar projects that they teach through the presentation of beautiful photographs and well-written instructions. And at the back, I'll read the back for you. Inside Art Saves, experience the stories of 20 artists who found that artistic expression and the artistic process is worth living for. Whether you are a graffiti artist like Lisa Engelbrecht, a metal artist like Michael Demeng, or digital collage artist like Susan Tuttle, the art has a way of giving you beauty, meaning, spiritual richness, community, even salvation. So within this book there are a variety of different mediums that the artists use. Every single medium you could possibly think about is included in here, and one of the reasons why I like this book is because it's not only got the lessons that each of the artists teaches, a bit about the artist and their journey, but it's got some little tips and hints and pay it forward. The instructions for creating the art that they have in here is really well done, and you've got some really nice coloured photographs enclosed, and each of the projects it goes through step by step what you need to do. The other thing it has is little quotes for under each artist, and it's called Pay It Forward, and it's also a great way to think about how as artists we do kind of inspire and encourage other people with the work that we do. The other good thing about doing this is it gives you a broad range of artists that you can do different projects from. You can also dip in and dip out. You can take what somebody has created in one project and use it in multiple projects, and it's really a great way to find out how the artists, what inspires the artists, and also get behind the scenes about how art has impacted on their life, their stories and how they tell their stories. And it's a great way, looking through this book, it's a great way to find ways to share and to tell your stories, and you will be inspired because it's mixed media at its best in terms of the range of the way that the artists express themselves and the materials that they use. And it's then also a great way for you to think about how you may progress in that particular art form, how you want to grow. And so this is almost like taking a course with each of these artists from the art that they have used. As you can see, some really lovely clear directions and photographs that will enable you to follow step by step the art that each of the artists have done. At the back of the book it gives you details and where to find the artists. Art saves.